Well, it is crappy out today, so just got these dogs loose, and didn't take them long to find some birds. So I think in the celebratory spirit of Christmas here, at least it's turned into a white Christmas, let's just flush the birds and not shoot anything. Cade put the slip on old Tank. It doesn't happen often, but he's a pretty good dog in his own right. I thought they'd be sage hens. We're pretty close to a known area of